Pero sabi nyo nga rin po ay nakuhanan na ng fingerprints yung dalawa.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay po. Yung fingerprints po ba ni Sheila, paano kinuha?
Yung normal process po na kinuha namin yung fingerprint niya,
Opo.
tapos nung meron na kami nito, ay kinumpare namin. Meron po ang Bureau of Immigration ng ACR
Yes.
fingerprint niya. So, ayun naman, nag-compare na naman ng aming dactyloscopy division and we found out that yung mayor at siyang mayor at ito pong si Sheila Lial Guo, yung fingerprint impression nila ay belonging to one and the same person.
Okay.
Kaya na-conclude na naman namin
Mhm.
na si Sheila at yung siyang mayor ay iisang tao po.
All right. So yun yung resulta. Katulad ng resultang nakuha nyo noon kina Guo Huaping at Alice Guo
Yes, ma'am.
sa
Opo. Yes, Your
dactyloscopy
Honor.
division din po ninyo.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Salamat po. At mga huling tanong ko sa ngayon sa Bureau of Immigration, Commissioner, ano na po bang pinakahuling impormasyon nyo tungkol sa whereabouts ni Guo Huaping o Alice Guo?
Based on latest reports sa akin po kagabi, si Alice Go is in Jakarta.
Lumipat mula sa Batam, alright? So, pwede nyo po bang bigyan ng assurance itong komite na Alice Guo will have her day in court and will also have her day before this committee and before the Committee on Women as well, Commissioner?
Basing on the same letter that I sent to the Director General of Indonesian Immigration, the request for the deportation of Alice to the Philippines is still standing and continuous po yung coordination ng Philippine Immigration at saka yung Indonesian Immigration. And we would like to assure the committee that we are doing our best na maibalik din siya as soon as possible.
Yung sabi nyong you're doing your best in coordination sa Indonesian Immigration, ibig sabihin po may ongoing search operations po para sa kanya?
Yes, ma'am. Tuloy-tuloy lang po. Simula nung 19 ng August, then nakuha natin si Sheila and Cassandra nung 20. And from Batam, lumipat nga po si Alice to Jakarta, nasundan din po ng Indonesian Immigration. So we are continuously having the close coordination with them.
At itong coordination po ay kaugnay din kay Wesley Guo, tama po ba?
The latest we got from Wesley Guo is umalis siya ng Batam ng 20 using the same ferry, then sumakay siya ng eroplano going to Hong Kong. And sumulat na rin po tayo sa Hong Kong Immigration requesting for the confirmation of the arrival ni Wesley sa Hong Kong, but we have already the confirmation na umalis siya ng Singapore. We're still waiting for the confirmation of his arrival in Hong Kong.
At may time frame po ba at least dun sa pag-secure ng person ni Alice Guo?
I cannot give po a timeline kasi ang lead po is Indonesian Immigration at saka wala tayong jurisdiction po doon sa kanila. We are just coordinating and binibigyan natin sila kung anong mga kailangan nilang kung anong papel, may mga request. We readily provide them the needed information.